Hi everyone. I had an alien concepted action game plan, and I decided to go onto this Zone 3, Episode 3 project. And here's my environment approach. Possible puzzles to be solved, and also in the final you will get the power armor. And I will evolve the plan into this and discuss with Mike and some other my fellow teammates. And I also updated the process here, and I have shown this to Mike on Tuesday, and I decided to update it, and I switched back to Unreal 5.4, and I have added Washington DC monument like this in the real exact measurements. I'm thinking to start the player from here by a vehicle. They will come over here with his body, and they will go into this building. And by this secret plan, I mean the road is blocked, and they have to use this building to go enter the facility, secret facility. And they will go into these sewers. I have made this blackout plan, and he and his body will face some aliens here first. They will kill each other, and they will go out. I just put this to show the human scale. I'm preparing to add them on various points. I generally work like that in my project. Here is the save room area to save your game, and here's the way to secret facility, and there will be lockers to get your equipment here. You'll get your weapons, new weapon, and this will be the quarantine cleanup disinfectation area to enter the facility. And here's our lobby. I'm planning to get the sign like this in the architectural way. This roof window, and here will be the meeting room, and this is intelligence office. So the pace will go slow in here, but it will get attacked later by the aliens. I have put some options as architecturally like this, and the other side of the building will go on like this. I mean, what I'm talking about is this one. Yeah, I have created this event 1 part and event 2, and when we go down, let me show it. Here's the plan. We'll go into this, go down by stairs, then here's our lobby, and there's intelligence lamps, and I barely had time to create this from zero again. So next time I will be finishing event 3 and event 4, hopefully. So I'm looking for your opinions. I wanted to show that some contradiction with small scale to hide this place from civilians. Then you will get shown by some huge lobby and area as a secret military base facility, let's say. And you will get your power armor, and outside will be rural or modern architecture, but inside has some high technological advancements and futuristic features, I hope. So that's all. Thank you.